We are embarking on a journey. I am going to take you on a small trip around the lake. Now we are in KRS Brindavan Gardens, and this is my boat. There is my co-passenger Chetan Shantigrama. Yes, let's begin our journey. This lake was constructed later on, and artificial lake. This is the century-old KRS Dam, and now as you can see, the water has also been let in. It's a fantastic view of the Brindavan Gardens is that side, and yeah, you can see mini waterfalls here. The statue of Kaveri is there, a small statue of Kaveri. Yes, these are the mini waterfalls. It's a fantastic ride. This year the rains has been copious, and so there is a let out of water here in small scale. The crescent grades or the crest grades are further up at the other side of the place. This was the chief architect was Sir M. Vishweshwaraya, Mokshagundam Vishweshwaraya, built purely of mud, mortar and no cement used, I think. That was the technique in those days, ancient days. And we can see something like inlet type of a thing where water can cascade. Yeah, this is the this is the excellent jetting out water. This is the other bank of the lake, and also we do have the musical fountain and yes. Now we will take a roundabout in the fountain here. This is the bridge which is used to cross across the place, and wow, it's a huge fountain they have established here. This is the closest we can get to it. Yeah. This is the real closest thing to get into it. Wow. I think I had a shower bath now. Yeah, as you can see the water droplets dropping in by, and yeah, fantastic thing. So Kaveri Snana is also over here. So this is an opportunity for Kaveri Snana again. So it is a fantastic way of having a Kaveri Snana here. Yes. Wow. My God, we are so close to it now. It's a special ride now. It's a real special ride. Wow, fantastic. Fantastic. Wow. So near it so far, so close. Wow. It's a fantastic mist. Oh. See, even a rainbow has been formed here. Perhaps it should have got registered the camera, not known. Yeah, it was a fantastic Kaveri Snana, Kaveri Tula Snana, culmination. Wow. And now you can see the boat dancing now for your sake. It has been specially made to dance. Yeah, now, yes, fine. Let me get back to my driving now. Yeah. fine. Fantastic. It is really good. Wow, wow, wow. As you can see, my boat also dancing to the waves and dancing by itself.